Okay, so week 3, lab 1. Experiment 1 is fingerprint rolling techniques and Minutiae identification. In this experiment, you will learn general techniques for fingerprint rolling. When a person has their fingerprints taken, they do not participate in pressing or rolling of the fingerprints. Rather, fingerprints are rolled by a trained fingerprint technician. But for this purpose, I have to do my own fingerprints. So, remove the plastic seal and cover for the ink pad, which I've done that. Ink pad is right here. Okay. Wash my hands with soap and water and let them dry. I've done that. Prepare to roll your thumb. To do this, all fingers should be tucked under the palm of your hand into a fist, as if I was giving a thumbs up. Firmly roll your right thumb from left to right over the ink pad to evenly cover the skin from the one edge of the fingernail to the other, and from the crease of the finger joint to the tip of the thumb. So, let's go ahead and mark it from fingernail to this. Roll it over to the other fingernail. So I would imagine something like that. Try not to do it too hard due to the fact that it can fill in the grooves. So use your left hand to position the right thumb over the area of the fingerprint card under the right thumb label. Place the right edge of your thumbprint on the area so that the edge of your nail is touching the card. Roll your thumb from right to left and then off the card. The quality fingerprint should clearly contain the ridged skin from nail to nail to create a rectangular fingerprint. Okay, so with my left hand, put my left nail there, roll it over from nail to nail, and then lift, which would produce a rectangular thing. Okay. So to obtain the prints of your right forefinger, right middle finger, right ring finger, right little finger in their allotted spaces, use the same techniques. However, for these hands, roll the print from left to right. So now let's go with the right index finger. Okay. Okay. With the right middle finger. With the right ring finger. And the right little finger. All right. Use the same technique to obtain the left fingerprints. Remember, use the right hand so you roll your left hand fingers. Shift finger cards away from your body so that the bottom row lays flat near the edge surface. Okay. So the bottom row. Okay. Use your left hand to press your right thumbprint flat on the bottom row of the fingerprint card that reads right thumb. So, do it again. This time we're just laying our thumb flat where it says right thumb. Correct. Apply ink to each of your 4 fingers on my right hand. Okay. Now take a flat plane of all 4 fingers at the same time by pressing them flat on the ink pad together. Use your left hand to press all 4 fingers flat onto the finger card that reads 4 right fingers taken simultaneously. Okay, so right 4 fingers taken simultaneously. Alright. When this is done, wash my hands with soap and then use my left hand to repeat the same process. So I'm going to wash my hands and then I'll come back and do my left hand. Okay, so now we're back with my left hand. So right, left thumb, put some ink on it, and go from right to left. Okay, same thing, left index finger, from left to right. Left middle finger, left ring finger, and of course my left pinky. Lift this up, and now I have to do a flat left thumbprint. Okay, and now my left hand simultaneously. Okay, now when I'm done taking my fingerprints, wash my hands with soap. Use a hand lens to identify the basic patterns, which would be the arch, a whorl, a loop of each fingerprint, and record them in the table 2, and then use a camera, phone to photograph that, and then use table 1 in the introduction and the hand lens to identify the miniature characteristics and find additional stuff.